year it's been. We've come together on the Nth Degree to think about how AI is shifting the healthcare space, to talk about diversity and representation in marketing, innovation that ultimately will improve patient lives, and all things that touch healthcare media. We've been here for all of it and so happy that you've joined us along the way. Enjoy this 2024 highlight reel, and if there's anything you want to see covered in 2025, just let us know. We'll see you in January on the Nth Degree.
Where, historically a lot of pharma clients will kind of buy media for healthcare professionals, focus. Spanish offices will buy in Spain, France will buy in France, Germany will buy in Germany. What we're seeing is definitely at the European, at the above market level, is pharma companies kind of buying regionally, trying to consolidate all of their media into one agency. And kind of a lot of what that means, and a lot of what the benefits of that are, they are, there's lots of benefits, not just from kind of the benefits of kind of centralized media buying that we can kind of bring to the table and kind of getting better rates for kind of pharma companies as a whole, is like leveraging that spend. But also it means, a lot of things like breaking down data silos between different kind of markets. Traditionally, I should say, when we are kind of in the central, like when we are doing centralized media buying, it's much easier for us to kind of see what is happening in France and Spain and share best practices with different kind of local offices, and could organically happen within a pharma company.
Solve a larger business problem that exists in our industry and a lot of different industries, is that there is not an off-the-shelf solution that ties together the end-to-end media process as it applies to kind of the healthcare sphere. Everything from buying, media planning, insights, activation, kind of the whole gamut of what a media strategist, media planner, activation team, and then a measurement team needs, encompassed within one kind of modular platform. And that's what we were seeking to solve when we embarked on this journey. And in a lot of ways, we've gotten to the first stage of stitching together a lot of the leading edge capabilities that we've built over the years, and we're excited to push the envelope further with some key features that are launching this quarter.
Specifically with different audience partners, so whether it be health model targeting or contextual targeting, which is based off of content users are engaging with. You want to have a really good mix of different type of targeting capabilities, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket with a specific targeting tactic. We're seeing different regulations being passed forth in different states that's kind of narrowing down on the audience first addressable targeting. So we want to make sure we have a good broad different types of targeting capabilities, testing them. There's a lot of partners out there. At this point at CMI, we have so many targeting solutions. We're at the stage where we're trying to narrow down. So if you don't have your go-to partners, definitely start testing, but it's really good to start getting those learnings. And again, have a good test and learn strategy and narrowing down on those top performing partners.
Health is sort of like the Tide commercial, right? Like, it's not sequestered just to the hospital. When it comes to athletics, health is athletics, right? Like, athletics is health. So again, pharma advertisers should want to tap into that like halo effect of athletics, because athletics are associated with health and vitality, and athletes are just naturally like very influential. So you'd be surprised to see, how often athletes have some sort of relevance between, them and like a brand. Maybe it's a family member that has this certain disease, or, maybe it's something that they just happen to be passionate about.
I think the resounding, again, I'm going to pull hope through, of when we all partner together and when we challenge the kind of status quo, and when we embrace new technology and helping us to get our messages more personalized and customized and out there faster, that with embracing, well, cautiously embracing for some clients, some of our aspects of artificial intelligence, that there's always going to be the important factor of the human still underlying everything that we do. So that had come through as well as far as the healthcare professional and patient and caregiver interactions of, we're humans, all of us, in our everyday lives, no matter if that's from a work perspective or a caregiver or a patient perspective. And so keeping that element at the core, with the inspiration of hope coming through, I think is really what we were left with after Monday's event.